Today's tip of the week is one for the kids. We all know that weekends and holidays can be kind of boring. So today I'm going to teach the children how to make wild treats for wild birds. I brought with me a packet of wild seed, acorn or pine cone, sorry, and then some peanut butter. There we go. So first things first, I'm going to take a small little rope that I already done, just put it around the pine cone, and then we're going to dip it inside the peanut butter. There we go. Now this can be kind of messy, and that's what the kids love. So if you want to pour it in a bowl and let them put their hands in it, by all means. The messier it is, the more they'll enjoy it. And then just going to dunk it inside the bird seeds. And that is our nice bird seed treat for the birds. But before we hang this up, I'm going to show you another one that you can make that's also quite fast. Let's put this one here. Now you're going to be needing a bigger pine cone, about this size, and some nice fruits. Now you're going to cut this up. Just get my knife, and nice little blocks. So I'm just going to place it inside the cones wherever you can find space. You can use bananas, papayas, any fruits that's available to you, and the birds love it. So you can fill this pine cone with all types of fruits. So remember to tie them with a piece of string so that you can go and hang them up. There we go. Let's go treat the birds. This looks like a nice place to hang it. There we go. It's fun for the kids and a treat for the tweets.